A man was forced to wear an iron mask and locked away in prison for 6 long years. No one knew why this had been done to him. There were only whispers that he had a mysterious connection to the royal family. Every month, a priest would visit him and pray by his side. But one day, everything changed. The priest arrived carrying a dead body in his arms that looked exactly like the masked man. He quickly called the guards and told them the prisoner had died from the plague. The moment they heard the word plague, the terrified guards panicked and burned the body without even checking it. Just like that, the real prisoner was secretly taken out of the prison. No one suspected a thing. He was placed on a small boat and taken far away. Once they reached a safe place, they smashed his iron mask with a hammer. As the mask finally came off, everyone held their breath. When his face was revealed, he turned out to be a handsome, bearded man. After cleaning him up, it was revealed that he was none other than King Louis XIV himself. The two swordsmen were stunned, but the priest remained calm and began revealing the truth. Years earlier, the queen had given birth to twin sons. The old king feared that one day the brothers would fight over the throne, so he secretly ordered the priest to send one of the children away to a distant village. That forgotten child was this man. Before his death, the old king revealed the secret to his elder son, Louis XIV, believing he would protect the kingdom. But fearing that his twin brother might one day challenge his rule, Louis ordered him to be locked away in prison behind an iron mask. Years passed and Louis XIV became king. But instead of becoming a wise ruler, he turned out to be weak and foolish. One day, a servant brought him a pig, but the king called it a unicorn and announced a huge reward for anyone who could capture it. The nobles rushed after the animal, completely unaware that it was just an ordinary pig. In reality, the king had his eyes on a young woman in the crowd. He cleverly blocked the path so she would end up alone with him. The girl eventually found herself in a quiet street where the king confessed his feelings and wanted to keep her by his side, but the girl calmly refused because she was already engaged to another man. The king was about to persuade her when, out of nowhere, an assassin rushed in from behind with a dagger. Just as the assassin was about to strike, a colonel stepped in and killed him with a single swing of his sword. As the assassin lay dying on the ground, he whispered his final words, "Feed your people." Just then, the girl's companion arrived and took her away, and just like that, the king lost his chance to make her his queen.